Alright, here's our stateroom on the Magic.
2046.
We're getting ready to go in. And a nice little finish. This is an inside, not inside stateroom, it's an ocean view. Is that yours? It's alright, we found her luggage. Come here, Faith.
I'm getting there, Dad's getting Oh my god.
Surprise.
Oh my god.
We ordered this one.
What happened to you?
Huh?
Psst. Read out loud.
What's it say?
Faith, congrats on your Marvel cruise, Mom and Dad. Marvel hero power.
This is the Marvel blanket package.
Rockets on it.
And the pillow.
Okay, this is Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, Guardians of the Galaxy. That's
Here.
the Hulk. That's Thor. That's that's Iron Man.
What's
That's
this?
Venom.
What's this?
That's the Disney Cruise Line.
No way!
He's got
Oh,
one.
so get it back to normal. So this unlocks it.
Alright, okay, we're in our stateroom. And up here we have our slingback backpack and our Castaway Club member luggage tags. This is a nice little room. We're not used to ocean view, so we're used to the verandas, but this is nice. This is a big, huge porthole right here. I may not want to change. This
It's
is
blue.
beautiful. Look at this view.
Wow.
Let's see what else we've got. We've got face bed here, which opens up to a bed, but it's a couch right now. Dream is a wish your heart makes. It's so true.
That's the horn.
Mm-hmm. Got your wave phones, which we don't ever use because we just use the app. And she has her iPad to use it for.
Oh, there's more Marvel Day at Sea stuff.
Extra cabinet space. Uh-oh.
It's just a flyer to visit the main sales.
Oh, here we go. Telling you what they have available. We're definitely going to get a Turvis. Definitely some Marvel
like the
Day at
hoodie.
Sea. Definitely. We're going to get some goodies. What's that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're going to get all the Marvel stuff, definitely. We love Marvel. We love Avengers.
Is that a pillow?
Faith loves Guardian of the Galaxy. Yes, it is.
Ooh, that's a pillow, Faith.
I know.
Feel it.
Can I keep that on my bed?
We'll see.
Yes.
Yeah, because there's Guardians on it, the Falcon, Spider-Man,
Very
Thor.
nice.
I don't know who those
Very nice. We have some cabinet space here, drawers to put our stuff
I
in.
threw it.
We usually live out of our suitcases, so we don't normally take everything out, or really anything. And here's the normal blanket that's on the bed,
We take that
which
to
will stay,
movies.
but this we get to take home and keep with us,
We take these to movies.
Yes, we take those to
'cause
movies.
It's freezing cold.
because it can get cold in the movies. Here is the
Shower. with
shower
the sink.
portion of the bathroom with our sink and our wonderful Disney bathing products. They're amazing. And the shower is a good size. You can actually take a bath in this as well.
Oh, that one's big.
That's a good size. We have the little hidden Mickeys on your
And Minnie
shower.
Mouse. You
Minnie
can
Mouse is on there too.
with the little bones.
What would be all Minnie Mouse then? I'll have
Mickey,
that.
Minnie. Who does it?
Mickey is up here. Then we have the wonderful friendly reminder from Ariel to be a friend to the earth and oceans. Our life preserver vest, which we will not need.
Never.
Our closet, we got
Now-
plenty of.
Now the closet lights up.
You ready? Ooh.
Ah.
It comes with a safe, so we can put our goodies in it.
Now the safe is a pretty decent size. It's an actual drawer with a.
And you could put like your change or your jewelry right in here, which is what I do.
So let's get you tilted. There we go.
Yeah, this is where I put change or jewelry or anything that I don't want rolling around in here.
So it is just a 4 or 6 digit combination that you can create yourself.
Change it whenever you want. So if your kids see it, change it. All right. Another part of the bathroom is the bathroom. The wonderful toilet. And you can put your items in here, toiletries, like makeup and whatever, if you're gonna, the woman, and you want to do makeup in here. Or other stuff. Like we always put our toothpaste and our toothbrushes in here. And this little rail holds everything in. So if the water's pretty rough, it'll keep it held in there really well. And you actually have some soap in here too. And your hairdryer is...
Hairdryer's over here.
Hairdryer's in the other one. It does come with a hairdryer. In the room. Every room should have one. So ladies, if you don't want to bring your hairdryer, that's a big one.
Wow, 2,000.
It's usually small, but that's a big old hairdryer. And I brought mine with me because I usually don't use the one on the ship. So I may use one and Faith may use one. So everybody, that is our tour. And at night, we will have this. I would like it open, but we'll see. Probably have this closed so Faith can sleep. I don't think she'd have any problems though.
We did bring a fan. That is our...
Yeah, we brought a fan because the air does not circulate very well and it can get hot sometimes, regardless of where you are on the ship. And the thermostat, you can adjust it yourself, which is on the wall here. I want it colder, so we turned it up. Where'd she go?
Why'd you turn it to hot?
Did I? I thought I turned it to cold.
No, negative. Very good.
Okay. Did we lose her? Or she didn't go out on the deck because there's no deck.
Alright, let's,
We lost her daughter. She's hiding from us. I wonder if she's in the closet. Here we go. Let's see if she's in the closet. Surprise! Gee, we surprised her with the cruise. She didn't know she was going to be on one today. She thought she was coming on here for a travel agent tour because she's never been on one.
Now we do have some very nice built-in cabinets. Similar to the Wonder, because obviously the Wonder is a sister ship to this one.
So is the Dream of Fantasy, but they're like cousins. Because they're not as
They're
big.
bigger cousins.
Yeah.
Now the clocks have USB ports. There's power over on the clock side.
There.
There is also
Little drawers here too. Lights.
now there's also USB ports and power on over by the desk. So that is over
Yeah,
here.
we live off of this right here. Tons.
So highly recommend a multi-port USB charger. There's not very many, and they don't allow extension cords anymore.
Nope, they do not anymore.
So everyone have a wonderful
Port excursion.
Hey,
And it's going to be in Fathoms for our...
Stingray!
Doesn't say... Oh, there it goes. Adventure to Stingray City.
Finally.
Excitement.
Yeah.
All right, everybody.
All right, that's
This is
a
our...
wrap.
Let's do the mirror. Everybody.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye,
We're going to have a
GoPro.
magical cruise. We'll see you around.
Magical Marvel Cruise.
Marvel.
Yeah.
Yes, a
It's
marvelous
not
Marvel
magical,
cruise.
it's like
Marvelous.
victorious.
No. Marvelous.
We all have
Marvelous
our
Marvel.
Marvel and stuff on.
Yeah.
We have Thor, we have Captain America, and we have all
Girl power.
the girl power.
I got Mickey.
And we have Steamboat Willie. Hello. A shout out to Melanie Harvey and Dana Harvey for that wonderful Steamboat Willie. We love it.
Love it. It is
An
definitely
amazing lanyard and amazing bags. All right. So if you guys have never heard of Harvey's seatbelt bags, look them up online. They are amazing. All right, everybody.
That's
have a
a wrap.
great one. See you next time.